Alright guys, hi. As you guys probably expected, part 2 of that day. Let's talk, I haven't actually gone through this trade, so let's talk about all of them and I'll explain to you guys what happened and stuff. Just give me a second. Okay guys, so first things first. First things first, let's talk through these two trades here, okay? So, these two trades here. So, I took these two trades, right? Just before I made the last video. And the reason I took these two trades is because price didn't tag into this order block here. So I expected price to tap into it. If price tapped into it, yeah, then I would never have taken these trades because I don't trade towards a mitigated order block. Okay? Now, I was like, okay, cool, I checked everything. If you look at the 15-minute here, the order block starts here and, you know, we didn't, so you can see there's a gap here of about 0.2 pips or 0.3 pips, yeah? Now, if you go on MT4, this is what I noticed obviously after. Go to 15 minutes, so it was this order block here, this candle right here. You can see, guys, price actually touched into that and more. Look, can you see here? Look at that. So essentially, price touched on here on MT4 and not on TradingView, which affected, you know, if I knew that, I wouldn't have taken this trade. Now, let me talk to you guys about this trade, why I didn't take this trade here. Let me talk to you in more detail. Okay, so remember me saying that these were equal lows, like the line there is exactly the same. Okay, now if we go to MT4 here, you guys can see that there's a clear break here, clear flip. You can see this one's much lower than this, so I don't know why this happened today on TradingView, because usually TradingView is way more reliable than MT4. So I'm really this is the first time that has happened to me, and I noticed so I missed this trade, which I was ready to take. Okay, that would have made me want to take this trade because instead of it being here, you know, it would have been there with equal lows here and I would have entered. Just clearing that up for you guys. I'm not making excuses for my losses. I'm just saying that these pipettes have really made a fucking difference these last few days for me, and it's kind of ridiculous. Okay, so yeah, we got stopped out there, we got stopped out there. Cool. Okay, so after that I traded GU and it really didn't go well, guys. As you can see, we got a flip. Price mitigated this order block here, this one here, 15-minute. We got a flip there. My trade, I should have put stop loss like this, but then I realized there's this candle here. I didn't see it, so really late. Unfortunately, we got taken out. And then we had another opportunity where there was another flip. There's motive, equal highs here as well. Entered, taken out again. But that was 0.25 each trade, so together 0.5. Essentially, price did mitigate this order block even more here, and could have had a flip here, entry here, boom. But unfortunately, didn't go my way, which is very unfortunate, guys. I know it's unfortunate. Yes, you guys must be feeling sorry for me. But don't feel sorry for me at all, okay? So, just to top things off, I decided to risk 1% in this trade, which was actually stupid, okay? So, there was actually, it wasn't just this trade, there's more. So, 0.25% lost here, flip here, okay? Flip there, equal lows here, entry, nice entry, could have been a bit better, you know, could have put it risk free, but I didn't, and we lost. Okay, cool. Then when price meets a new high, we got a flip. I'll take it again. For this one, I risked 1%. So, amazing risk manager for me. Another day where I trade more than 3 losses. You know, today I just decided to once again do that, and I messed up, guys. I can't lie to you. I messed up the last 3 days. Self-sabotage, I can say. Did I follow my plan? Okay, I can say I got unlucky here. Could have been a winner. Price unfortunately come back to here. This one okay, no problem there. These two really unlucky, man. I would have never taken these two trades, guys. I guarantee you my life. I wouldn't have taken these two trades if I touched this on TradingView. Yeah, this followed the plan. Perhaps this was already too far gone, but okay, I traded it. That's fine. I just should have risked 0.5%. I kind of got a bit frustrated. And there was a trade that I was really going to take, guys, and again, the same thing happened, believe it or not. Okay, so for a flip, I need a high. I need this candle to close above this, and it didn't, as you can see. Yeah, it didn't close above that. But if we go to this, this is the first time that this has ever happened to me, guys. So I haven't experienced this before. This is new to me. See here. Hold on. Go. See here. Price did close. Yeah, that was this one. Hold on, guys. Where are we? Come on. See, price did close up there. So there was a flip here, and my entry would have been this order block here, and you know, stop loss. My target was going to be exactly where price bounced off. Exactly. So flip this, guys. Not like this. Then like this. Entry. This order block here. Pip stop loss. Target would have been an order block, which is there's an order 3-minute order block there. So, and there was motive. So guys, yeah, it's really unlucky if you want to call it that. I don't know what else I can call it, but sad, unlucky, whatever. Just this is the first time, guys, the first time that I have seen this happen, and this happened more than once. I can tell you something else as well, which is just really weird. It affects my whole analysis, you know. It really does. Like a little pipette, can really affect everything. And let me tell you. Okay, this one looks a bit better because I wasn't gonna enter that trade if this closed above, but it just about did. This one's fine. On TradingView, it's fine. So it's really something that I'm gonna really double check now. Sure. If you have a look, yeah, on here closed above as well. So that's accurate. There's no problem there. So yeah, guys, currently down 9%. So let's be real. Let's talk about how I'm feeling, how I'm thinking. Safe to say, I went for a walk after all of this, and I was like, wow, little margins really got to me, man. Really allowed them to get to me. Go all the way back to Thursday. That trade on EU, we got stopped out by a pipette or two. But then price to go to take profit, which was past the verification. Oh, things that happened today. Friday I made a lot of mistakes, so that's fine. I deserve that, no problem at all. You know. But like these little things that happened today really made a decision, which really affected my decision making. Sure, guys. Yeah, because originally I had something like this. Yeah, around there. So that would have made a big difference, guys, for me today. And basically, let me just talk to you guys how I feel. Okay, so obviously I went for a walk and a lot of negative thoughts, feeling sorry for myself, but at the same time it's my fault. Who else can I blame, you know? I should have been more aware. I mean, I was totally focused today. But yeah, just like I'm in this spiral of making bad decisions or not making a decision at all when I should, or just not being very disciplined. I don't know. It's hard for me to say, guys. I really never really miss an entry, and it's happened because of minor things, really strange. Really strange, guys. Um, sucks. I can't lie to you, it sucks. It feels to me like it's a waste. It's been a waste of time this whole month, basically. It hasn't even been a month, but all the hard work that I've been putting in, you guys know how hard I've been working, you know, waking up at 5, you know, trading till 11, going to work at 12, coming back at 8, then going to the gym, you know, a lot of hard work and repeat and doing it all again. And I've taken you guys through this journey with me and everything. So you guys kind of have an idea what's been going on and stuff like that. And you guys seen the progress, um, you guys seen mainly the trading parts. And for you guys that been following me for a while, you know, all the mental issues I had to go through, which was for the first time in my life. Thankfully, I can manage them a lot better now. And you just kind of think all these bad things that's happened, and there's so much more. You start thinking about this negative shit, and you know, I was just like, you know what? Okay, cool. What's next? You know, how am I gonna pick myself up from this? You know, and made this AAR report, which is essentially an after action report. Okay, so whenever something goes really bad, trading or anything in life, I write down what happened, the things that I did good, the things I did bad, and just tell the story, you know, how it affected my relationship with friends, family, etc. And just say how I feel and stuff like that. Okay, so I did all of that before I started this challenge. I did all of that and I made all the mistake and I listed all the mistakes that I did last time, which essentially was like, you know, didn't follow the plan, changed strategies, was really undisciplined, loads of stuff. And one of the things was that what actually happened that is not documented here. This was before I started making this YouTube channel, so this was around about May, June. Sorry, April, May, June time, which was when I lost my trading account. I didn't exactly know how I felt, you know. I just thought, okay, let's go straight back into it. So I spent all the money that I made and more challenges. So I lost challenge after challenge after challenge after challenge, just wasting money, just throwing money away, basically gambling away, guys. And that had such a big impact on me that I didn't really notice as I was going through. I wasn't really self-aware, and yeah, obviously that was difficult moment. And then I picked myself back up again, started trading demo, and then, you know, I started doing the channel, as you guys know. So trying to say essentially I don't want to make the same mistake after losing a challenge or something and then go straight for another one. Okay, I'm not sure if I should do that, even though I feel like the difference now to then is that I have full confidence in my plan. You know, I have full confidence in my plan. I got quite unlucky with certain little things to do. Today was to do with MT4, like I mentioned. This and these essentially, you know, all the trades that I made, these two and this one that I didn't make today. Nothing wrong with this one, there's nothing wrong with this one, I just lost those. But these two and not taking this one really obviously affected the probability aspect and the bias that I had overall, because if I have a bias the price is going to go down, you know, obviously I'm going to trade short, I'm not going to be looking for long. Anyway, so the difference now is that I'm really confident in this plan. I didn't change it. The only bad things in terms of the plan that I did change was that I obviously today I risked more than I should have. I traded other pairs which I shouldn't have, and after 3 losses I should have stopped trading. So that's the mistakes that I've done, guys. It's so I'm not sure. So part of me is thinking, okay, I got 1% left. All right, tomorrow I'm gonna go away somewhere to meet a friend, and I got some time before that. I'm gonna leave my house at 10, so I got some time before that to trade. So those 2 shots are gonna be done then. Now, part of me is telling me to just go for another challenge already. I feel confident. Okay, I know the little mistakes that I've done, and they were new to me. I have to say. I know the wrist management mistakes. Those were not new. I should have listened, but today I don't know. I think I have this kind of feeling that I feel like I've been um the word done unfairly, if that makes sense. You know, because I think that's what really got to me. I feel like I've been done unfairly, which is okay. You can think that about yourself. Like I have no issue with losing these two trades here. Okay, like there's no issue losing these two trades. There's no issue, you know, losing this and this. But there is an issue with me losing these and not catching this and not catching the AU trade. Okay, there is an issue with those because they would have made up for my losses and more. You know what I mean? And those are things that could they be prevented? Now they can because I know about it. This is the first time that's happened to me. But you know, at the time, I didn't know better. You know, I was a bit confused. I was very confused actually, especially with the EU because I'm always pretty much catching them. I don't have any problems catching these flips. So yeah, sorry guys, sorry for the rant, but just want to make it. So basically, I need to think of the next steps. Do I either take a break for the rest of the week, which I have no idea what the hell I'm gonna do because I got a week off. I think I'll see how tomorrow goes. Got two chances, guys. I mean, is there pressure? I mean, not really, because to me, I've already lost it. I mean, I'm gonna try my best, but the chances are, you know, got two shots to make this happen, guys. Not only that, two shots, and then I have to make more consistently. I don't know. Part of you just like hopes for the best, but you know that the worst is right there. So I know exactly how this feels like, and it just feels like a big step back, a big waste of time and everything like that. It just feels like I already wanted this end of the year to end nicely and everything, and I don't think that's gonna happen. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, still got a couple of months, so we'll see what happens then. But I'm not very hopeful right now. I have no. It's not that I don't trust myself or anything like that, guys. I don't know what the probabilities are gonna be. It's that simple. I don't know what the probabilities will be. Okay. So, alright, guys. I don't know if I'm gonna make a video tomorrow because I don't know if I'll have time. But if I do, I will. Okay. Just want to say thank you to everyone that comments. Thank you everyone for the support. The channel actually grew quite a bit. We got 20 subscribers. I know it's nothing incredible. I mean, but the channel is growing. We're getting more and more views. And funny enough, we got most views during this time that I started to lose than the time that I started to win. So I mean, that's essentially it's great for you guys because you get to learn from my failures. Obviously, it's not that great for me because at the end of the day, I want to be successful and everything. And I'm trying to teach you guys through my failures and mistakes. I at the same time to be successful myself. But yeah, we'll keep at it. We'll try tomorrow and see what happens. Basically, confidence is not a problem. It used to be. Self belief is not a problem. It's just I don't know. I don't know what I did. I just keep saying unlucky, 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 but it's not just unlucky. Do you know what I mean? So, alright, guys. Sorry for sounding so negative and everything. The circumstances, but I promise you, I am trying my best to be positive. I am trying really hard to stay positive and keep a good mindset. And these negative thoughts, they literally come out one year, go out the other. I speak them out, they go, they don't come back. But hopefully, I'm gonna be able to get this back tomorrow. But I don't want to hope too much. Alright, guys. So thanks for listening. Hope you guys learned a lot from my mistakes and take care.